can you circle the goat? Goat. Where's the goat? Goat. Yes. Do you see a goat? Do you see a pig? Can you circle a horse? Horse. Nay. Nay. Can you circle a duck? Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Can you circle a rabbit? Can you see a chicken? Is there a dog? Okay. Until next time, you did a wonderful job, okay? Can you draw a heart like this? Great job! Great job today. I hope to see you soon. Say thank you, teacher. Bye-bye, teacher. Bye-bye, Miss Cece. Oh, nice color. Wow, big one too. Big heart for you. See you next time. I will give you 10 hearts. How's that? It will be 10 hearts. 1. Can you count? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hearts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 hearts. Yay!